Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. So today I'll be making my hair using wool. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So here is a pack I'm going to be using right now. I'm just showing you the one pack. I bought 2 packs of it because when I opened it, I discovered it was so small inside. Like the piece of the hair is so small, so I decided to go for 2 packs, and I ended up using 17 packs of hair, which isn't bad at all because the wool itself is so small. I'm going to open it for you guys to see how it is in a pack. Here is how it is on each one of it. This is how it is. It's so small. So I'm going to show on the side of the video. I'm showing you how I cut it. So that's how I cut it, so easy. So here is how it is after cutting. So I'm going to section my hair, start by sectioning my hair from the back. After doing that, I'm just going to start braiding it. So this one you see me making, I use knotless braid method for it, but then I just changed my mind. So let me just go for the natural, the normal braiding method. So that's what I'm doing. So I just use only the knotless braid method on this particular one. So the rest of the hair I use the normal braiding method. So I hope you enjoy the video. So guys, after braiding, what I do to the tip of the hair, I'm just going to take a different yarn and then tie it round. I'm going to tie it like 2 to 3 times, and then that's it. So if there's excess yarn on the braid, I'm just going to trim it out with my scissors. So that's what I'm going to do. So at this point, I'm done braiding the back side. I'm just going to go to the front and then just continue braiding. That's all I did on this video. So guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. My name is Abigail Ifoma. If you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, thank you so much, and thank you for stopping by. Please do well by liking my video, commenting, and also subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing me. I so much appreciate. Thank you so much. Thank you. point, I'm done making the whole of the hair. Hey, finally. So I'm done. I'm just trying to like play around the hair to see how I can pack it, or to see the kind of style I can that'll be okay on me. So here is it. I'm done. So what I'm going to do next is to burn the tip of the hair, because the way it is not looking nice. So I'm just going to light my candle like you see, and then start burning them. I have my bowl of water, so in case when I burn the tip of the hair, I can just use my hand. Why I put my hand in water and then use it to quench the light on the hair, so it's not going to burn my hand. But it later did. It burned my hand because I was the only one who did it. Nobody was there to help me, so which is okay. I did it finally, so it's okay. All right, so here is how the final, I'm going to show you guys the final look of the hair. It was so nice. Yeah, it was so nice. So at the long run, I used 4 hours to finish everything. 4 hours. Yeah, I used 4 hours to finish all of the hair. So that's how it is. And then this particular side, I'm just putting my hair oil on my scalp, not to make it dry. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching from the beginning to the end. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.